This old guy DIY video has to do with cleaning out the throttle body on a 2001 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter. So the process is pretty straightforward. All I'm going to do is use a slotted screwdriver here, remove this clamp, then I'll pull this piece of duct away. Then I'm just going to reach down here, and this is how you open that butterfly valve. And then I'll spray in some carb cleaner, and I'll wipe it off with a rag, and that's it. This thing has about 150,000 miles on it, and just recently when I go to step on the gas, sometimes it sticks and you have to kind of tap the gas with some authority to get the thing to go where it's supposed to. So I expect I'm going to find some residue here shortly. So I loosened up this clamp, I loosened this clamp, and I disconnected this little plug, and now I'll just take out this plenum assembly. So I pulled that assembly out of the way, and I can activate the valve. Actually, the thing doesn't look as dirty as I was expecting, but I'll clean it up anyway as long as I'm here. As I sprayed the carb cleaner, you can see some brownish colored crap that came out, so I'll just wipe that up with a cloth. I got most of it out. You can still see some residual crap over here, so I'll spray that and try to rub that out. But everything else looks pretty clean. I have it all cleaned up, so I'll put the vehicle back together. And actually, although I loosened this over here, I didn't have to take it off. With this pin off, I just grabbed a hold of that air plenum assembly and pulled it off of here. So I'll just put it back on and tighten up my clamp. Have a nice day.